one. What do you got?
All right, Gay, as you know, I'm a mentalist, but I thought it'd be fun to do mentalism and magic as a combination. So in a moment, I'm going to turn my back and ask you to look through the cards. Think of any card you want. Don't remove it, just think of it and remember it, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can I look at the card?
Think of the card. She's not going to tell you the card. She's just thinking of it. You can show her all.
Okay.
Okay, you remember the card,
Yes.
right? You hold onto the deck.
Got it.
I want you to send me the image of the card. We're going to start with the color. It's either red or black.
Okay.
Let's move on to the suit. It's hearts or diamonds if it's red. It's clubs or spades if it's black. Okay, now the hardest part is the value. It's a picture card, Jack, Queen, or King. It's a number card, Ace through 10. Send me the value now. Okay, I've got a clear image. I started with the color. Your card is a red card, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that means it's a hearts or diamonds, so it's going to be a heart.
Yes.
Okay, now it's either face card or number card. I actually got two numbers, because I think maybe some of them might have been thinking of numbers. I got a 4 and a 5, but the 5 was the clearer image. Your card's the 5 of hearts. Right?
Yes, it is.
Great.
Whoa.
So we're gonna do some magic with mentalism. Come on. Look through there, remove the 5 of hearts, we're gonna do something magical. Whenever you see the 5 of hearts, pull it out, show it to everybody. We're going to do something really special with it.
All right, not finding it yet.
Okay, well, maybe towards the end.
Okay, I found the 5 of diamonds.
Okay, now look for the 5 of hearts.
I'm not finding the 5 of
Not in
hearts.
there.
There's no 5 of
No
hearts.
5 of hearts.
No, 5
Okay,
of
now-
diamonds, but not 5 of
And
hearts.
none of you saw the 5 of hearts.
No, not at all.
Now, you're probably thinking that's the magic. I made the 5 of hearts disappear, but I promise I didn't do that. Because when I gave you the deck of cards, there were actually only 51 cards in there. I had removed one previously. Now I have no idea how you thought of or saw the 5 of hearts, because that's the card that I had previously removed.
Oh, no way!
Great.
Oh!
All right, Dave. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Wow! Masters of Illusion.